Today we are here at San Joaquin River Wildlife Refuge, located here in the Central Valley in California. We're gonna take the dogs for a walk and just at the same time we look around this place. It's mostly nature. So before you start the trail, you can come right here and get a map. Here it shows you the legend of the wildlife park right here. It's for free, and if you want, you guys can recycle it after you're done. Just put it back right here. Welcome to California's Central Valley, a place where three mighty rivers meet: the San Joaquin, the Tuolumne, and the Stanislaus. And right at their convergence lies one of the region's most inspiring conservation success stories, the San Joaquin River National Wildlife Refuge. This refuge was officially established in 1987, created to protect the rapidly disappearing habitats that once lined the Central Valley's rivers. It began with a mission to save the Aleutian cackling goose, a small migratory goose that was at the time on the brink of extinction. The refuge will become the safe winter home this bird desperately needed. Since its founding, the refuge has undergone one of the largest riparian restoration projects in California's history. Conservationists and volunteers planted hundreds of thousands of native trees and shrubs across thousands of acres. Slowly, the land began to heal. Today, this restored woodland is one of the biggest continuous blocks of riparian forest left in the San Joaquin Valley. These forests don't just bring shade and beauty, they rebuild entire ecosystems. Birds return, water cleanses itself, floodplains breathe again. Hindi, nakatayo na. Nagbo-bird watching sila eh. Among the refuge's greatest achievements is helping rescue the Aleutian cackling goose. Once nearly gone, its population recovered so dramatically that it was removed from the endangered species list in 2001. Today, more than 200,000 geese migrate through the Pacific Flyway, and the refuge remains a key winter stop.
meron din. Meron din dito.
Another remarkable story unfolds in the underbrush of these woods. The comeback of the riparian brush rabbit. The small elusive rabbit was believed to be nearly extinct until conservationists began reintroducing captive-bred populations starting in 2002. Thanks to dense riparian cover, elevated refuge mounts, and even vaccination programs, the brush rabbit now thrives right here.
Naka-curl siya. Ano yun? Nakita mo? Nakita mo naka-curl? Yan ito.
4 months lettuce.
Tikman mo, kaso lettuce.
Oh, yung shop siya.
Ay.
Ito. This one.
Oh, huwag mo lang kayo nigit na. Yung dahon lang.
Yeah.
Okay, ma-under na.
Oh,
Ayun o.
it's different.
Parasite or maybe they did it on purpose. Pero bakit? Ayan o. What the hell is this? Matamis.
Poisonous.
Ano siya?
Raptors nest in towering cottonwoods. Herons and egrets from colonies in the oaks. Songbirds filled the air each spring. What was once barren land has become a vibrant sanctuary for life. Ito muna.
Hemlock yata yan eh. Yung poisonous.
It's poisonous. Of course, Mr. Yusuf. The refuge doesn't stand alone. It is part of the San Luis National Wildlife Refuge complex, and it plays a key role in the broader San Joaquin River restoration program. An effort to restore river flows, rebuild salmon habitat, and reconnect California's fractured waterways. Though much of the refuge is protected and closed to the public, visitors can still explore designated areas, like the Pelican Nature Trail, where views of wetlands, riparian forest, and migratory birds tell the story of a reborn ecosystem. He shouts to bush baby. These are some of the cat's tails. They usually grow by the waters. The San Joaquin River National Wildlife Refuge is a living proof that damaged landscapes can be revived, and that wildlife can return when we give nature the space and time it needs.
Jackrabbit, bush rabbit by the pickup truck.
It's not just a refuge for animals, it's a refuge for resilience, a reminder of what the Central Valley once was and what it can be again. Hey guys, so that's it for San Joaquin River National Wildlife Refuge. Until next time, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Bye! If you like our videos, please click thumbs up for like.
Hit the bell to subscribe!
Please comment.
And don't forget to share!